think that guy glitched it out, so there should be a lot of stuff I think after this.
Oh, who's that? Okay, bye, Stella.
I got guys hack. Guys
I think that guy glitched it out, so there should be a lot of stuff I think after this.
Oh, you think
Because
so?
I just watched that guy take 13 packs of one.
Whoa, what? We've hardly seen this.
I've not seen this ever.
Oh my gosh.
I literally grabbed it from this side.
Yeah.
I purposely made sure there was I didn't clear it to where there's a definite Bible that you can still add, so that you can
Good luck. Good luck. Hope you guys find some cool stuff.
yeah.
Alright, let's see what there is.
I just want to make sure you get something.
They get more.